Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Patek Philippe 24 reference 4910/1200A-011 in stainless steel with a diamond bezel and a green dial. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, as well as some history. Then I'll try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with just a little history. The 4910, or the 24, was created around 1999, and it became one of Patek Philippe's, I don't want to say bestsellers because they have so many bestsellers, but it's definitely one of their popular ones. And why is that? Well, probably because of the price. It's an entry level into a Patek Philippe. There's not very many, actually there are no Patek Philippe's that you can get under 20,000, except for these quartz ladies ones. There are no men's ones, nothing. 20,000 is the entry point for this watch. In fact, this watch retails for around 17,000. And by the way, if you like it and you want to enter a Patek Philippe, but you don't want to pay no crazy money, you can get this watch at jazztime.com, even less than retail, and by just clicking on the link in the description below. Okay, now with that said, the 24 has this, they make two different versions of or the 24 collection is they have they have two basic versions that both have quartz in them, or batteries in them. This is one of them, and it has this rectangular shape to it, and it's done very well for Patek. They don't make this watch in a manual wind or a automatic movement. They do it only in quartz movement, which keeps the cost down, but it's still every bit of Patek Philippe. Every part of it is a Patek Philippe, even the movement, of course, but they keep the cost down. And that's not a bad thing, because a lot of people would like to wear a Patek Philippe, but it's prohibitively high, so they came out with this one. Okay, with that said, it has a very cool shape. Let's start talking about the watch itself. Now, it's gone through many variations since 1999. It's now 2025, 25 years later. Now all of the 24s have this baton or stick indexes, as opposed to Arabic or Roman numerals that they had before. It's a much cleaner look. They've gone through many variations. If you look at the old variations, you'll actually probably agree with me that the new variation, which is what you're looking at here with just the sticks, is much, much better. It's a cleaner look and easier to read. And they've pretty much gone forward with this all the way through. Actually, almost every brand is going through that. Like Rolex, for example, they got rid of all these funky dials with Arabics and all this like funny designs. They just put basically index for everything. Okay, with that said, let's start talking about the case. The case itself. Now, they only make this watch in one size for ladies, so it's not really going to matter much. But the dimensions are going to be 25 millimeters by 30 millimeters. Okay, that's 30 millimeters going from top to bottom. That means from the lug, the end of the case, to the beginning of the case, all right? And 25 millimeters going left to right, which is not very big. It's a thin, small, petite watch, and it has a thickness of just 6.8, call it 7 millimeters. So a very thin watch as well, and that's due to it being quartz battery run as opposed to automatic wound, and also keeps the cost down, as I said before. Now, the case is all made of stainless steel. They do it in high polish as opposed to some polish, some brush, and I believe that's also to keep the cost down. It's not necessarily a bad thing. Having a high polish watch is a very beautiful way to display the watch. So yeah, and then so they also make this an integrated watch, integrated bracelet. What that means is that the head of the watch goes seamlessly into the bracelet, which is probably the next part I'm going to talk to you about. But before, let's just take a look at some of the angles of the head. We can see it's not crazy angles, but they did seamlessly design the head of it to go directly into the bracelet, which I guess would bring me to the next part. The bracelet's also really well done. You see it has these sort of steps, has a big center link, and these sort of edges of the link where it's stepped, and it's a beautifully done bracelet. No surprise, Patek makes great bracelets, one of the best on the market. And as you can see, it's just very well done. Let's look at the bezel here. Now, interestingly, the bezel, Patek chose to put the diamond bezel or the diamonds on the case, just on the bezel going up and down, vertical, but not on the bezel part going left to right. Why they decided to do that? I was probably aesthetic, I would assume, because it gives the watch more of an integrated bracelet look, as opposed to if you square off the bracelet and isolate it by putting diamonds around it. Either way, it's just a really well done way of Patek doing the diamonds. There's 36 diamonds with a carat weight of 4.46 carats. Okay. Anyways, that's a very nice way. Okay, the movement, I told you, is already quartz. Not much to say there. It's got a battery in it. Okay, I guess time to try this watch on and give my thoughts. Now, my thoughts are, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, yeah, of course, it's a green dial. They make many different dials, gray. I think they make a gray, a blue, a gray, a blue, and they make it in gold as well, and some. But okay, anyways, my thoughts on this watch are, it's a great watch for the price. Retail price is $17,000. We're selling for less than that at jazztime.com, and it's an entry level into one of the most, if not the most prestigious brand in the world. So I think for that reason, it's really cool. And also, it has an interesting shape. It's not your typical circular watch that many watches have, and it's also very distinctive. It's fashionable. It's durable. It is well priced. There's not much not to like about this watch. So for that reason, I'm definitely going to give it 2 thumbs up. And if you'd like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.